So you've found yourself in safe mode. Whether it's because you were troubleshooting an issue or accidentally booted into it. Now you're stuck, scratching your head, wondering how to get out of it? Don't worry, because today, we've got the solution for you. The easy way to exit safe mode is to simply restart the system. Click on the Start button, then on Power, then on Restart. In most cases, this should work. But there are some cases where this won't work, and the computer still reboots in safe mode. If this happens, it's time to proceed to the next step. The second method is to make changes in the system configuration settings. Press the Windows key, +R, simultaneously to open the Run window. A text box will appear. When it does, type msconfig and press Enter. Next, at the top of the system configuration window, select the Boot tab. Underneath Boot Options, check that Safe Boot is unchecked. Hit OK and restart your computer again. And there you have it. You've successfully exited safe mode and returned to your regular Windows 11 environment.